Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add company email in your iPhone. So to do this is pretty simple. So I will guide it through you. It will be very easy, so just follow through. So first go to settings, and then from settings we will locate mail. So if you're using older iOS 17, you will have the option to scroll down, but if you're using iOS 18, you just press apps. From there, just locate your mail, and then here in mail, just want to go to mail accounts. From mail accounts, you want to press tap add account right here. So here you add your email provider for that company. So let's just say they use Outlook.com or AOL in their company for the email in the iPhone that they're gonna use right here. So just tap on it, and then it will redirect you to their page for you to sign in. So just add it right here, and then next, and then you'll just have to tap save. That will be added in your accounts right here. So there you go guys, that is how you add a company email to your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.